What's up, guys? Welcome back to another awesome episode of CD Outdoors. Today we're gonna do a little fishing on the Dan River. Gonna explore some new sections of the river I haven't fished. Anything from catfish, bass, mainly catfish though. Gonna explore some new areas. Without further ado, let's waste no time. See what happens.
This wasn't the brightest idea in the world. Okay, come on. Woo! Just a wee bit sketch. Ooh, that's a fish. There he is. There's a fish. There's a fish. About stinking time. I ain't a big one, but solid channel. Solid old channel cat. Heck yeah. It's a nice little eater-sized channel cat. Heck yeah. Where's the hit? That's a solid fish. That's a good fish. That's a real good fish. There we go. Okay, this one might have some weight on it. There we go. That one's got a little weight on it. That's a good sized fish. That's a good blue right there. It's a real good fish. There we go. That one's got a little size on him. And we got him hooked pretty decent, so let's do that. Well, there she goes. See you later. This line here looks a little better. There we go. I don't know what I got, but it's moving. I don't know what do I got? What and is that a... What do I even got? Oh God. I caught a turtle. We have got live action here. The turtle man. Somebody caught a turtle. Somebody caught a turtle. Golly, that is a big old snapper right there, dude. Holy smokes. Dude, that's a big ass turtle, dude. I don't want him to strike at me, dude. He's mad. Oh, yeah, don't you do that to me. Woo! Woo! See you later, snapping turtle.